So basically this is the space where the workshop is going to be happening. Isn't it nice? Ah, I feel so much joy. Okay, so some of you may have noticed, or some of you may know. If you don't, then welcome to the crew. I'm Adélie, and I do, amongst other things, tarot reading and energy healing. And so I'm taking part here in Sweden to a small festival organized by a friend of mine called Patience at Seven Dragons here, Acupuncture. And so I will be giving tomorrow from 11 to noon a workshop called healing storytelling, and it will be so nice. Sorry, I should have put on some mics so you could hear me better. But anyway, this will be happening. So it'll be just an hour workshop. You will get some snippets of it, and then I will tell you more about this festival. It's called the Nightingale Festival Health Center. So it's a new initiative where we want to become a hub, and where we will heal people the way they need to, not really with any specific tag or label. We just give them a little love, what they need, whether it's acupuncture or acupuncture-like treatments, or tarot reading or anything like that, energy healing. Yeah, so this is, oh, my hair. So yeah, this is a nice space. We have outside as well, as you saw. So today we have Friday, and I am setting the whole thing up with the crew. And so it's happening tomorrow, throughout the entire day. And we will, there will be multiple activities. Just don't go anywhere. Okay everyone, so my workshop is about to begin. This is what I've done with the space, and I'll catch you after. Okay, so we are halfway through the festival. It went well. I just did the flower ceremony with a friend. Had a couple of sessions of healing, card reading, and I couldn't film a lot of things because it's kind of private, you know, not everybody wants to be on camera. But it is a good day. We had a good turnout so far. It's been pretty nice.